So, what caused this mass migration to the west? Were the Germanic people forced to move, or was it their choice to seek new lands to settle? Was the weakening of the Roman Empire and its administration a key factor in the invasion, or would the Germans have moved in anyway? Historians have agreed that it was most likely several factors at play. One of these was the emergence of the fearsome Huns from Central Asia. A Roman poet coins the term Hunoi for the tribes of marauding warriors who seems to originate from around modern-day Kazakhstan or Mongolia, although their exact place of origin is unclear. What is clear is that they were a ferocious and unforgiving race that overpowered more or less anybody who crossed their path. The Huns were famously led by Attila in the early 5th century as they plundered and pillaged their way across Eastern Europe. They were excellent horsemen and famously unforgiving towards anyone they captured or who put up resistance. The arrival of the Huns is thought to have prompted many Germanic people to flee to the west. If this was the case, the Huns must have been an incredibly savage opponent, because the Germanic tribes were widely respected by the Romans for their strength in battle. Still, when the Huns began rampaging across Eastern Europe in the 4th century, it created a domino effect. Their empire swallowed up huge parts of Russia, Hungary, Ukraine, and most of Eastern Europe. This forced many Germanic tribes to migrate west, either because they were outnumbered by the Huns or were simply unable to match them on the battlefield. Another reason for the barbarian invasion is that the Germanic tribes were simply running out of room.